7 o'clock or KUAM FM in Agotnia, Guam. Let's go back to the KUAM newsroom. Dispensa, Miss Maria, I know that we had you on for 6:35. I didn't know that Robert Koss had all that juice to spill. So good morning. Let's bring on Maria Pangelinan, the Executive Director of the Guam Election Commission. Good morning, Miss Maria.
Unmute.
Chris and Sabrina.
Sorry, Lai. Are you okay?
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Maria.
Good morning. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
We can hear you now. How can you hear us now?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so we can hear you. You can hear us. Good morning.
Half a day.
So what's going on? In-office voting is starting back up?
Yes, we're getting ready. I don't know what time the staff left last night. I left before them. The canopy is up for curbside voting. Third floor is just about ready. And we visited Malesso over the weekend to make sure we're ready for September 26th. In-office voting for the general election starts this Saturday here at GCIC building on the third floor. You can call 477-9791 to make appointments to come to GCIC building third floor, or if you are medically challenged, or you're a person with a disability, or you're a real menamku, you can make appointments to vote curbside. And that so our schedule is 9 o'clock to 4 o'clock. We will take appointments every day, Monday through Friday. And then on Monday through Friday, starting September 21st, up until October 30th, we will have in-office voting here at GCIC Monday through Friday from 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock p.m. At the first hour at every location is reserved for Menamku. At the satellite locations, we are going out to 4 villages, one village at a time.
You sure?
Every Saturday, starting September 26th.
Mm-hmm.
So on September 26th, we will be in Malesso, and we will open at 9 o'clock. No appointments necessary. First come, first served basis. Again, I want to stress 9 to 10 o'clock is reserved for Menamku. If you're not registered to vote yet, up until October 23rd, you can come to our office, go to our satellite locations, and register and vote at the same time. Bring your photo ID, wear your mask, bring a blue or black pen, visit our website at gec.guam.gov and look at our sample ballots. They will be up shortly. Also, follow us on Instagram at Guam Election.
Yay! Instagram.
Hey, a day now. Fancio. Wow.
Is that from Kenny Boo? Did he help you guys out with that?
Yes, he is.
All right.
What, are we gonna get like
We
selfies
miss
of
you,
Maria?
Kenny Boo.
No, he's doing a great job. Thank you.
Right.
So, Maria, I understand you guys approved the voter safety plan, right?
Yes. And so it was submitted Monday, September 14th. That's when it was due.
Mm-hmm. Can you take us through a little bit of that?
Okay, so we outlined for them the ballot security, how we will, how we make sure that we take the ballots out of our vault and bring it back every night. We make sure that we assure them of the same COVID-19 minimal spread, or minimizing the spread of COVID-19, all our measures that we started up at during a special election. And we're also um, in our safety plan, we also outlined that we will have additional employees to help us here at in office, and also to make sure that we will continue to frequently touch surfaces, the at the voting booths, before and after every voter. When we go to the polling sites, we will disinfect the whole room before, and we will also disinfect after.
Okay, let's move on to because we do have some questions from people online. They're asking about homebound voting. Are you guys going to be doing that?
Yes, we are waiting for Department of Public Health. We work with them very closely. We are waiting for them to give us a little bit of training on homebound voting, and to give us the correct guidance on how to do it. We will start Monday, September 21st with homebound voting. We have those people that requested for homebound voting on for the primary election. We have their names. We will call each and every one of them and make arrangements. On the days we're at the satellite locations, we will focus on those villages. So call us at 477-9791. We will take information over the phone for those that are requesting homebound voting. Please know that homebound voting is reserved for those that are truly homebound. We will service the hospitals. We will also service the quarantine facilities, again, with public health guidance if there are any voters. The hospitals and the quarantine facilities, we will service them closer to the election.
We have a question about off-island voting.
Those will be mailed out on Friday. That's tomorrow. The federal government requires us to mail out what we call UOCAVA voters, the military and overseas voters. They require us to mail their ballots 45 days before the election. That's September 19th. Because it falls on a Saturday, we're required to mail them out tomorrow.
Wow. Are we going to be able to do that?
Yes, we are trying our hardest. We've talked to our Department of Justice point of contact, which is standard procedure. We assured them that we will be able to mail them out tomorrow.
Okay, and I know this is
I'm sorry, not tomorrow, Friday.
Right. Not tomorrow if you want to be ahead of schedule.
Friday is the day we're going to mail them.
Okay.
Any reports or anything due by candidates or anything like that?
Their final primary report was due Monday, September 14th.
Oh, wow.
Everybody turn.
We were trying to, I think the staff got a list together last night, but I don't have it handy with me today.
On who filed and who failed to file?
Yes, I don't have that handy.
Okay.
Were there a lot of failures to file?
What was that, Chris?
Were there a lot of failures to file?
I don't think so. What we did, because we are not able to, because of the stay-at-home order, we were not able to accommodate them in person. So we required them to get it notarized outside. No. Then they emailed us. They emailed us both the notarized PDF copy and the Excel copy. So I saw my email was really busy receiving all those.
Ms. Maria, we had a comment here. If the homebound is due to COVID-19, how will the ballots be disinfected? I don't know if you addressed that, but are people who have COVID-19 going to be able to vote?
we're working we're going to talk with public health. We continue our dialogue with public health to show us how to do it. I know that in the junior special election, we serviced somebody in the quarantine facility. So those we are working really hard to make sure that nobody's right to vote is disregarded.
Right.
Maria, so all of this starts Saturday in terms of the in-office voting. What if the PCOR 1 is extended? This stay-at-home order, will that extend?
Yeah. Again, we are working with our public health. Public health is aware of our situation. They put together the guidance for the executive orders that come out, and so we anxiously await our conversation with them to let us know. We know that the current stay-at-home order ends on Friday. So we're anxiously waiting to see what happens.
What did you hear? Did you hear anything?
I haven't heard. So, on our press release, we said that it's subject to change.
Right.
And it's subject to change based on what executive order is released.
So you didn't hear anything?
No.
Okay.
You sure?
Did you?
No, I'm checking with you because you sound like you're moving full steam ahead, and that tells me
You
that
have to, though, right?
probably you heard something.
No.
They got a plan.
I haven't heard. Yeah,
Just between us, Miss Maria. Hold on, I'm just gonna don't listen. Did you hear anything? No, still. Okay. All right, Maria Pangelinan, the Guam Election Commission Director. Anything else, Bree?
Yeah, just wanted to follow up on. I know you mentioned the COVID. So same thing goes with the isolation hotel, right? For voters that are there,
Yes.
You're just waiting for guidance from public health. Okay.
All right.
Yes.
Good stuff.
All right.
Well, thank you, Miss Maria. Jay, did you get to ask about the machines, or we're good? Okay.
I can do it.
We'll ask you next time. Jason
Yeah.
wants to do a whole video with the machines. And
Maybe
all.
we could get Kenny Boo to do some stuff.
Right.
Some online
Guys,
stuff.
if you're just joining us, Kenny Boo is Ken Quintanilla, the former KUAM News reporter. I don't know if he wants to be referred to as Kenny Boo.
We got terms of endearment on the show.
Right. I mean, now we turn to Guam Election Commission. Kenny Boo. Kenny Boo. Hey. No, and so he's over with you guys helping with the election. So that's a good pickup for you guys, Miss Maria.
Yeah. All right.
Thank you. She's still there?
Are you frozen or?
Are you frozen, or you just want to tell us that you heard something?
It was Marcy, you too.
Thank you. Okay.
Take care.
Last chance. Esta, Miss Maria. Okay, Joss. Like Robert Koss said, Esta! Let's keep